Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today's video is a little bit of a shorter one, but I just wanted to go through the upgrade that we've just carried out on this BMW. This car didn't come with something called lumbar support, so if you guys at home are looking to add lumbar support to your vehicle, it can be done here at our site in Cambridge. So the system is really easy to use. Basically, we've just done the driver's seat on this occasion, but you can have it done on both, as well as what a lot of people have done at the same time or separately is our heated seat install as well. But lumbar support, obviously what it is, you've obviously potentially had it on a previous vehicle and that's why you've seen the benefit of it, and now it's added to this BMW. So the car never came with it, and the seats just don't have that kind of functionality that ones with lumbar support do. So what we've actually done is added in the lumbar support into the original seat, completely invisible, and you've got a little switch on the side of the seat which basically sits on this car right down here, easy to use, and you can inflate the lumbar support and deflate really nice and easily, and there's no cosmetic change at all other than the little switch which sits on the side of the seat. So overall, really going to help with any back pains that you have, or just making the vehicle a little bit more comfortable for those longer drives as well, for those people to do quite a lot of mileage in a vehicle or have any issues with their back that they need the lumbar support for, to help them make it more comfortable on their drive, and their car might not come with it. Don't worry, it can all be done. So if you're interested in having this solution added to your vehicle, so a couple of things: work gets done at our site here in Cambridge, gets carried out within one full working day. We do have hire cars and lots of other things, so check out the website for more details on all of that sort of stuff. However, there are a couple of things I need before providing you guys with a quote. So you can either come by and see us if you're local. If you're not as local but still want the work done by ourselves here in Cambridge, make sure you head over to our website. We've got our email address and contact details there. Basically send me over a couple of pictures of the seat itself, the side of the seat, and also the whole entirety of this seat here. I just basically need to see where stitching is and everything like that to assess whether we can do it on your vehicle. But hopefully you guys have enjoyed today's video. You've seen the little upgrade of lumbar support on the BMW. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.